How to manage essentials notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage essentials notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and now click these 3 points here and then click settings, this one, and here if you go down you will find this one here, notifications. Just click on it and now go down and you will find this category here, essentials. If you want to turn it off, just click here, and as you see, essentials child notifications has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just one click, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.